AU since ada request untuk AU. Okay, saya rasa kita pernah bercakap pasal this 70 cent punya level, and then we are expecting somewhere to come to this level back again before going down. Okay, it actually moved up instead of 72 cent. Okay, dia pergi ke 72.50. Of course, typically we need to give an allowance maybe to 50 to 100 pips on any orang kata reversal trading ataupun correction trading. Okay, so this is the level we initially anticipated for it to make a move, tapi dia naik atas sikit, so dia buat some kind of a shadow, they move back to about 71 plus and then moving, but this drop is not as orang kata terlalu banyak sebab dia punya move pun almost berapa pip ni, dalam 64 pip sahaja. Okay, so tak adalah banyak sangat untuk ni, tapi untuk AU probably relatively within a short period of time dia ni. So depending on the some data going to come out next week. Okay, so we are expecting Aussie to strengthen until, as I mentioned it, for the next FOMC meeting, which is projected to be early March. Okay, so we are still expecting one more move somewhere ke sini ataupun back to this 72.50, somewhere dekat this zone lah. Okay, before they continue back again, because we are expecting Aussie to pick up some strength, temporary strength. Okay, next week, because we are looking some positive news ataupun sentiment flowing out of Aussie. Okay, so that will give some boost. Okay, so you push almost about 100 plus pips. Okay, before FOMC comes in, then US dollar will take over. Okay, so even worst case kalau dia naik sikit ke atas pun, but still I'm expecting AU to come down. Okay, sebab as I mentioned ni, US dollar still orang kata belum menjadi terlalu kuat. Okay, tapi it will become stronger a bit ataupun very soon, starting early March onwards. Okay, so AU, my projection, a bit of a correction, then a big move, but of course dia takkan drop big time unless FOMC early March suddenly siapa tu, Jerome Powell announce, let's say 50 basis point, then you see in one single move. Otherwise, if it's only 25 basis point, we are looking at it maybe a big move sini, then correction, then slowly come down. Okay, so Aussie, dia punya move something like this, turun and then naik and then turun, so it's a kind of a trending pair. So that's why sometimes ada orang tak suka trade AU sebab dia lama, tapi dia kalau dia trend, memang dia trend jauh. Macam ni kalau kita tengok dekat daily time frame, kalau dia trend memang dia trend macam EU, GU, bukan GU, EU. Dia punya move lebih kurang sama macam EU. Dia akan trend lama macam ni. Okay pun?
Cikgu Rashid.
Yeah.
Okay, terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. Cikgu Rashid boleh komen sedikit pasal news waktu pukul 11 untuk AU ni. Kenapa dia naik dan dia turun balik
Okay.
It feels sound like
okay. Sebenarnya pukul 11 semalam ada satu news.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually that time pun Go, EU semua pun ada
yeah,
up and down kan. Sangat laju waktu tu.
Sebab saya ada pakai filter. Dia sebenarnya ada satu, saya try to Google apa tu, Michigan University Sentiment Index. There's one report that actually came about yesterday. Okay. Semalam. Yeah, this report. Boleh nampak skrin saya?
Yeah, boleh.
Yeah. So this report actually came about in terms of the sentiment. Okay. So that's why US dollar was weak, and also gold macam nak naik. Actually it's driven by this survey ataupun this sentiment report. US Michigan is basically the University of Michigan punya report. Okay. So that's why. But again, it's immediate turnaround. Okay. Market was just react ataupun kita panggil knee-jerk reaction saja. It's not a really a fundamental punya ni, because the report actually doesn't really broadly talking about few hundred millions of US citizens ataupun consumers. It's just a survey with a very limited sample. Okay, but nevertheless the number was saying something. Okay, so that's why market was reacting on a short term. Okay,
But agak agresif juga reaksi market.
because the number was very low compared to the what they expected.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it was way out. 67.5 versus 61.7.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why when it's way out, but previously when it's very close, you guys wouldn't have seen it much differences. Okay, but when market was way out, for example, kita expect apa tu 67, but they came out 61. Sama juga macam semalam CPI dua hari lepas, they were expecting 7 point something, it came to 7.5. So it's a big about 5 points. If it's only 1 or 2 points difference, the market will probably can digest.
Okay, baik.
Okay.
Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. Okay, kita